So, today we are going to start quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. So, before starting the quadrilaterals, first of all, we're going to see what is the definition of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral consists of two words, quad and lateral. Quadrilateral consists of two words, quad and lateral. Quad means four and lateral means sides. Quad means four, lateral means sides. So, what are the examples of quadrilateral? Square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. A quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four straight lines. Clear to all? A quadrilateral is a closed figure composed of four straight lines. Clear? Anybody is having any doubt? Okay. Moving on further. Naming a quadrilateral. How to name? We can name clockwise or anti-clockwise. ABCD, BCDA, CDAB, DABC. We can name the quadrilaterals. Anti-clockwise, the names are ADCB, DCBA, CBAD, BADC. These are the namings. It can be done clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, what are the adjacent sides? Four sides are there: AB, BC, CD, and DA. Adjacent sides: AB is adjacent to BC, BC is adjacent to AB or CD. Means one side is adjacent to two sides. So two sides of a quadrilateral are said to be adjacent if they are having a common vertex. The both sides are having a common vertex, so it means this side is adjacent to this side. Clear to each and everyone? Say yes or no. Clear hai? What are adjacent sides? Clear to each and everyone? Okay, fine. Opposite sides. अपोजिट साइड्स AB के अपोजिट कौन है? CD. AD के अपोजिट कौन है? BC. अपोजिट साइड्स are AB and CD, BC and AD. Now the diagonals of quadrilateral. These are the two diagonals AC and BD. A line segment joining the opposite vertices in a quadrilateral. AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. Okay. Now angles in a quadrilateral. What are the angles in a quadrilateral? There are four angles in a quadrilateral. Angle ABC, angle BAD, angle ADC और angle BCD. ABC can be written as ABC. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे तो ABC और यहाँ से बोलेंगे तो CBA. Similarly BCD और DCB, CDA और ADC, DAB और BAD. Clear each and everything? A quadrilateral has four angles. What are diagonals? फिर से देख लो. What are diagonals? Opposite vertices को join करती हुई line is known as diagonal. For example, this is a quadrilateral. So इसको join करते हुए opposite vertices को join करने वाली line is known as diagonal. Clear? Yeah. Angles completed. Now, adjacent angles. There are four pairs of adjacent angles. BAD and ABC. ये इसके adjacent है. फिर BAD और ADC. Angles on the same line are known as adjacent angles. Angles on the same line. These are adjacent. These two are adjacent. These two are adjacent. These two are adjacent. Clear? Angles on the same line are adjacent angles. Now, opposite angles. This are opposite pair of angles. BAD is opposite to BCD and ADC is opposite to ABC. Clear? Adjacent angles and opposite angles are clear to each and everyone? Yes or no? ठीक है. अपोजिट एंगल्स आमने सामने वाले, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स ऑन द सेम लाइन. एक लाइन पे जो बनने वाले एंगल्स आर नोन एज एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. ठीक है. नाउ कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलेटरल. व्हाट आर कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल? Convex quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is said to be convex if each angle measure is 180 degree less. मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी एंगल ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज लेस देन 180 डिग्री, मतलब सारे के सारे एंगल्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल में 180 से कम होंगे, दैट इज नोन एज कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल. In a concave quadrilateral, at least one angle is greater than 180. कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलेटरल में, इन कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलेटरल कोई भी एक एंगल 180 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट वन एंगल मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. क्लियर टू ईच एंड एवरीवन? कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव. Okay. Now, before moving further, now some important thing. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that the sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. And the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, because a quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So 180 plus 180 total is 360. Write down this in your copy. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Clear? The sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Chalo, moving on further. Find the measure of unknown angle. See, three angles are given. You have to find out the fourth angle. By angle sum property, angle Q plus angle R plus angle S plus angle T is 360 degree. By putting all the values of angle R is unknown. So the value of angle R is 128. Okay, 98 plus angle R plus 65 plus 69 equals to 360. The value of angle R is 128. Clear? Anybody is having any doubt? Say yes or no. It is clear to each and everyone. By applying the angle sum property of quadrilateral, we can find out the value of angle R. Now, next question. In the given quadrilateral, find out the value of x. Same angle sum property of quadrilateral. The sum of all the angles is 180 degree. By putting the values of all the angles, angle B is 75. We have to find out the value of angle B. Angle B is 75. So angle B is 75. Angle B किसके बराबर है? 15 plus 4x. Putting the value of angle B over here, the value of angle x is 15. Clear? The value of x is 15 by angle sum property of quadrilaterals. सेम क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाएंगे, ठीक है. द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज 8.5, यहाँ पे रखेंगे इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स. वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट, गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है, विल नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस. हाँ, ये थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, देखो फटाफट. Four angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7 ratio and 9 ratio. Let the angles are 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. We know that angle sum property, the sum of all the interior angles is 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x is 360. The value of x is 15. So 3x will be 3 into 15, 5x will be 5 into 15, 7x will be 7 into 15, and 9x is 9 into 15. So these are the angles of the quadrilaterals. Clear? Now practice questions are in homework. Now what we have learned today, just have a quick review. Angles of quadrilateral, pairs of adjacent angles, pairs of opposite angles, angle sum property, and sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now a quick about interior and exterior angle. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles. The sum of exterior angles of quadrilateral is also 360 degree, and the sum of interior angle PQRS is also 360 degree. Are you getting this? Sum of exterior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree and sum of interior angles is 360 degree. Clear? Say yes or no. Clear hai beta? Okay, fine. Now angle sum property of some polygons. Triangle, number of sides is 3, sum of interior angle is 180 degree, shape is this, each interior angle is 60 degree, exterior angle is 120 degree. Now square, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, polygon. Okay, polygon के लिए sum of interior angles formula 180 into n minus 2. Each interior angle 180 into n minus 2 upon n. Each exterior angle 360 upon n, where n is the number of sides. This table is very important. Clear? So what is the formula of sum of interior angles? 180 into n minus 2. Each interior angle 180 into n minus 2 upon n. 360 upon n. Clear? Now, one question based on this. Find the sum of interior angles of 15-sided polygon. We know that the sum of interior angle formula is 180 into n minus 2. Put 15 in place of n. 180 into 15 minus 2, that is 180 into 13. 2340. Clear? Simple था. Okay, so we have completed the revision.